Hey guys, it's welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am indeed going to be unboxing this huge ass Hershey's collab with Etude House. It is so big, right? I wish this was actual chocolate. So yeah, let's get started right away. So inside we have another box. And then we're going to open it up. And we have, wow! This actually looks like legit chocolate, right? Like, props to the Etude House PR team. I hope there's an actual chocolate in one of these boxes, or else I'll be very disappointed. So, in the first box here, ooh! You know what? My actual favorite chocolate from Hershey's is their cookies and creams. So, this is their cookies and cream Play Color Ice Mini. How cute is this? Ooh! Wow. It's so small. I feel like a little bit of 과대포장 here, but look how cute and tiny this palette is. So this one has a little bit of that lighter color scheme, and I am so impressed with this color right here. It actually looks like the real cookies and cream chocolate. Let's open up the second box. This is very exciting, very exciting. So in the other box, we have the original chocolate, the Creamy Milk Chocolate Play Color Ice Mini. How cute is this? Another cute petite palette. So this one, it has a deeper warm tone brownish color scheme. Oof, and that shimmer shade right there in the middle is totally my cup of tea. Moving on, I'm going to open up this one. Okay, so this is, I actually have no idea what this is. This is their Creamy Milk Chocolate Powder Rouge Tint Hazelnut Choco. The packaging though, wow. I love how they put the Hershey's logo right there in the middle. Guys, I'll be swatching everything later, so hold on to your horses. But we have a lip primer right here. The next chocolate, oops, I ripped it. The next chocolate box here, ooh. I was actually expecting this to be another lip color, but it's their Creamy Milk Chocolate Brush. So it's a brush, it's a tool. So this is an eyeshadow brush. It's not as big as I thought. It's really, really cute. Okay, these last two boxes better be actual chocolate. I'll be so sad if there wasn't any real chocolate in this packaging. I mean, it's such a good opportunity to throw in a real chocolate in here, right? And you guys know I'm a huge sucker for chocolate, so let's see. Ta-da! Oh, it's another lip product. It's okay. I can buy the Hershey chocolate by myself at the 편의점, the convenience store. Okay, so this is the Hershey's Creamy Milk Chocolate. This is another lip product. This is a lighter color than the other one. This is the Alma Choco. Oh my gosh, that sounds delicious. Alma Choco. Okay, the last one, I'm guessing it's not chocolate, but let's open it up. Can you guys see how sad I am? Oh, this is another tool. So this is another brush. This is their cookies and cream brush. Looks like this. Has a smaller tip, a bit more stubbier, more precise. And now let's swatch some and let's try out and see if they are as good as they look. So like I said, the cookies and cream is has more of a lighter color tone. Like this, and then the darker one. Oof, this is totally up my alley though. So obviously I'm gonna go in with this today. I'm gonna go in for something a little sultry. I'll also be taking their eyeshadow brush that came in the collection, and I'll be using first this lightest shade and use that as a base color and put it all over just to even out everything. Guys, I just want to point out that they've engraved the Hershey logo onto each eyeshadow, and I think that kind of detail is just precious. I love it when brands pay attention to the smallest details. Okay, so I'm getting a lot of fallout, but that's okay as long as you deliver, guys. Okay guys, this brush is a little small for me to apply that color all over my eyelids, so I'm just going to take my regular Real Techniques and I'll use that brush later. So taking the same color, I'm just going to set this all over. First off, I am actually, there's pigmentation, guys. It's not just fluff. So let me move on and use this brush and use this warm peachy orangey color. I'm just going to apply that near my 쌍꺼풀 line. I feel like there's no strength in the brush. Like, I am loving the eyeshadows, but I'm not feeling it. It feels a little too flabby. So on the other side, I'm going to take the same color and just add a bit of more of that eyeshadow. It's not bad at all. Just going to featherish out. And then with this pencil brush, I'm going to take this beautiful warm terracotta-ish shade right there in the middle and then apply that along my eyes. I'm just going to apply that. Ooh! Oh my gosh, the color is insanely beautiful. Wow, I'm so impressed with the color. Okay, and then taking just a clean brush with no eyeshadow on, I'm just going to feather out the edges of it. If you are into warm tones, this palette is a must. It's beautiful. And I'm going to take the darkest shade at the right, and then I'm going to apply that on the outer thirds just to really deepen up my eyes. Wow, super impressed. I think this palette will be so great to do an everyday brown smoky eye because you honestly have all the colors that you need in this palette. So I'm going to apply this shimmer shade in the middle and apply that on my 애교살. Try apply that with my fingers. Wow, that's really, really pretty. Me likey, me likey. So I'm just going to take a brush to really get this color on. I feel like my fingers are a bit too big for this. Oh my gosh, oops, that's a little too much. Wow, I'm really impressed with the shimmer shade as well. All right, so I just finished drawing in my eyeliner and doing the mascara and everything off camera. And before we finish off, I really want to see how this shimmer shade, brown shimmer shade, coppery shade plays out. So I'm going to take the same pencil brush and I'm going to try outlining or going this over my eyeline. Okay, so it has pretty good pigmentation. Ooh, I'm really, really digging this brush. I wish it had a little bit of that sturdiness though, that firmness. It feels a little more metallic than a shimmery shade. And I just think that it enhances your whole eye look without it being too obvious or too apparent. Alright, so that was it for the eyeshadow. I am super impressed with the quality. And now let's move on to the lips. Let me actually put on both colors and we'll see which color suits me better with this whole look. So we're going to start out with Hazelnut Choco. Ooh. What do you guys think? I am totally loving the color. So with these powder rouge tints, these are very matte. Much more matter than the matte chic lip lacquer that I love using. How beautiful is this color? I honestly don't think it goes with my princessy attire. But I think for a sultry, sexy, powerful look, this would be an amazing color. So it's a lot more darker than I thought it would be. It kind of works. It kind of works. All right, next color, we're going to move on to Alma Choco. Ooh, this is a lot darker than I anticipated. It's a lot more brown and a lot more nudie in real life. Voila! What do you guys think of the color? I think this color suits my attire for today better than the other one. I think this one has more of that feathery brown, red brown look. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, but I actually like this one better. So that's it for today's video, guys. I share with you, I unboxed the huge-ass Hershey's collection with Etude House. And just to summarize, give you guys an overview, I am so impressed with the quality of the shadows and the lip products. I think the eyeshadow palettes are great, especially since you can literally use every single color in this palette. So huge thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and stick around a little more to see if you want to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next. Ciao! Oh, happy holidays everyone. Bye!